Namaste and welcome to this second week. We shift from theory to deeply personal and focusing on human quality that defines meaningful use of palliative care. We will explore in this week key focus area is being a patient and empathetic listener. You have to be how listening quality of a palliative caregiver should be, that part will be discussed in depth. The patient listening is very important quality. And then communicating effectively and compassionately. You should talk with compassion and you should talk effectively. Communication skill is very important. And third, understanding the emotion like guilt, regret, anxiety, both patient and the caregiver. These are the three most important aspects while interacting with the patient and with the family member. In this week, we are going to talk about these things. Why listening matters, you should know. Listening is important because it builds a trust and emotional safety. It reduces the fear and distress in the patient and family members. And it helps uncover unspoken concerns of the patient. Many patients do not speak, but their body language speaks a lot of things. So eye contact and observing their behavior is also a type of listening. So we are going to talk the skill which is important for you to understand the verbal and non-verbal communication of the patient and the family member. This is very important art we will discuss in this. And begin present in sometimes more healing than an advice. In the second lecture, communication as a compassion. Effective communication includes honesty, empathy, and clarity. Use the tools like spikes and pulse. These are the standard tools which are applied for listening, for starting the communication. How you will win the confidence of the patient. Then only he will speak with you. Otherwise, why he will divulge things which he is having in his deep mind? You have to encourage it. That encouragement has a standard method that we will learn. The tools like spike, S-P-I-K-E-S, or the tools like pulse, P-E-A-R-L-S. This is abbreviation. You have to, we will discuss the method of that. And sensitivity in sharing prognosis and difficult truth, that also we will discuss. So good communication is a good medicine. This is the important part which we are going to talk in this lecture. Next lecture will be emotion in palliative care. What is that? Lecture will cover emotional and spiritual sensitivity. It will also cover guilt, regret, and anxiety. It will be important for both patient and the caregiver. Insight from modern psychology and Ayurveda, that is Pragya Parad. All these things will be discussed in the coming lecture in this week. So the main goal is the healing is not just physical, it is emotional and spiritual. These things we will cover. So your role as a sensitive caregiver, deep listening, presence without judgment, communication that comforts, and respect patient and family emotions. 4 objectives you have to give, and in this week, all the lectures will be focused around all these 4 steps. In palliative care, every word and pause can be moment of healing. What is ahead? Coming up, our team members will deliver specific talks on these topics. Stay engaged and reflective deeply. The week lays the foundation for truly compassionate caregiving. Thank you very much.